How to fix Snapchat web page not available problem. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. Let's begin. So first of all, you have to go back and you can go to your phone settings, or you can either tap and hold the app, and from here you can tap on app info option. After that, you have to tap on the storage and cache option. After that, here you have to clear the cache, and also you have to clear the storage. After that, your problem may be fixed, but if you are still unable to fix the problem, then you can simply go back and you have to open up your Google Play Store. After that, here in the search button, tap and search for Snapchat. After that, if there is an update option available over here, then you have to update the Snapchat so that you'll be able to fix your problem. If you are still unable to fix your problem, then you can simply check your Wi-Fi. Make sure that you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi or cellular data. And the next step is you can uninstall the Snapchat app and reinstall it so that you can fix your problem again. So by following this simple step, you can fix Snapchat web page not available problem. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.